Today we are going to show how to adjust and set the bag support / eject for a vertical form fill and seal machine. To turn the bag eject on, go to accessories. Bag eject is now off. Simply press the button. You'll see the inputs come on. Bag eject delay is the amount of time that the bag eject stays down so that the bag clears and goes on to the takeaway conveyor. Bag eject dwell is the amount of time it stays up to support the product during its sealing process. There are no tools needed to perform this job, but gloves are recommended as the end seal and vertical seal will be hot. To adjust the bag eject, loosen the locking handles. You can now see that the eject can go up and down. Once the bag eject is set to the proper height, you can apply power to the machine. What you are looking for is that the bag slightly rests on the bag eject. When you advance the film, you want to see the tension be lifted from the seal itself. That is how you set up the bag support and eject on a vertical form fill and seal machine. If you have any questions, email us at info@allfill.com or call us at 610-524-7350.